If you're searching for a premium wireless speaker system that combines stunning design, cutting-edge technology, and true audiophile performance, the KEF LS60 Wireless System in carbon black deserves your attention. Designed to celebrate KEF's 60th anniversary, the LS60 Wireless is much more than a pair of speakers. It's a complete high-end music system that eliminates the need for separate amplifiers, streamers, and complex audio setups. Right out of the box, the LS60 Wireless makes a powerful first impression. The slim floor-standing design is elegant, modern, and surprisingly compact considering the performance it delivers. Finished in carbon black, these speakers look sophisticated and blend beautifully into almost any living space. Unlike traditional hi-fi systems that require multiple components and cables, the LS60 Wireless offers a clean, minimalist solution without sacrificing sound quality. At the heart of the system is KEF's renowned acoustic engineering. Each speaker contains dedicated amplification and advanced driver technology, delivering a combined 1,400 watts of power. KEF uses a carefully optimized mix of Class A, B, and Class D amplifiers, with separate amplification dedicated to high, mid, and low frequencies. This approach allows every part of the frequency range to perform at its absolute best. The result is an incredibly detailed and immersive listening experience. Whether you're listening to jazz, classical, rock, electronic music, or movie soundtracks, the LS60 Wireless produces remarkable clarity and precision. Vocals sound natural and lifelike. Instruments are accurately positioned within the soundstage, and bass remains tight and controlled even at higher volumes. One of the standout qualities of the LS60 Wireless is its imaging and soundstage. Music feels spacious and three-dimensional, creating the sensation that performers are physically present in the room. This is an area where many traditional systems struggle, yet the LS60 excels effortlessly. User feedback consistently highlights this strength, with experienced listeners praising the speaker's ability to reveal subtle details and create an expansive listening environment. Connectivity is another major advantage. The LS60 Wireless supports virtually every modern listening method available today. Wireless options include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Apple AirPlay 2, and Google Chromecast. Through the KEF Connect app, users can access streaming services such as Amazon Music, Qobuz, and Deezer, along with internet radio and podcasts. Spotify Connect and Tidal Connect are also supported, making it easy to stream directly from your favorite apps. For audiophiles with existing equipment, KEF has included a generous selection of wired connections. Vinyl enthusiasts can connect a turntable, while CD players, gaming consoles, and other sources can utilize optical, coaxial, or auxiliary inputs. The inclusion of HDMI eARC is particularly valuable, allowing the LS60 Wireless to serve as a premium TV audio solution. This means one system can handle both serious music listening and cinematic home entertainment. The system also supports high-resolution audio playback up to 24-bit at 384 kHz, along with MQA decoding and DSD support. For listeners who invest in high-quality digital music libraries, this ensures the speakers can reproduce every detail available in the recording. Setup is refreshingly simple. KEF's app guides users through the installation process, and within minutes, the system is ready to play. The speakers can communicate wirelessly with each other for a clean, cable-free setup, supporting audio up to 24-bit at 96 kHz. For users seeking maximum performance, a wired inter-speaker connection is available, enabling playback up to 24-bit at 192 kHz. In real-world use, owners frequently describe the LS60 Wireless as a buy-once-and-enjoy for years investment. One user who paired the speakers with a Technics turntable praised the effortless setup, built-in amplification, reliable Bluetooth performance, and user-friendly controls. Another experienced audiophile, with more than 4 decades of critical listening experience, reported being deeply impressed by the clarity, imaging, and soundstage. Even among friends who owned respected systems from brands like Focal, Golden Ear, and Dynaudio, the LS60 Wireless earned widespread admiration. Bass performance deserves special mention. Despite their relatively slim profile, these speakers produce surprisingly deep and authoritative low frequencies. Many listeners will find that a subwoofer isn't necessary. However, KEF thoughtfully includes dedicated subwoofer outputs for those who want even greater low-end extension. One reviewer added a KEF KC62 subwoofer, not because the LS60 lacked bass, but simply to push an already excellent system to an even higher level. Of course, premium performance comes with a premium price tag. The LS60 Wireless is a significant investment compared to traditional wireless speakers. However, when you consider that it combines high-end speakers, powerful amplification, advanced streaming capabilities, DAC functionality, and room-friendly design into a single package, the overall value becomes much easier to justify. Ultimately, the KEF LS60 Wireless System is one of the most impressive all-in-one audio solutions available today. It successfully bridges the gap between convenience and audiophile-grade performance, delivering exceptional sound quality without the complexity of traditional hi-fi systems. The KEF LS60 Wireless System earns a strong recommendation from music lovers who want reference-level sound, elegant design, and modern streaming convenience in one package. Its outstanding clarity, expansive soundstage, versatile connectivity, and powerful built-in amplification make it a true flagship wireless speaker system. If your budget allows, the LS60 Wireless may very well be the last audio system you'll need to buy.